ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद भाष्य। In this page number 309, Tika we are seeing Agnau Hutva. So before that, just see 13 number Tippani. What is the meaning of the word Lokam? Lokam Icchanti, it is given. Lokam is Karma Phalam, correct? Now, this is the meaning given by Acharya. See Tika. Agnau Hutva, Brahmanecha Dattva. परमात्म लक्षणम लोकम आप्तुम इच्छन्ति इति भर्तृ प्रपंच व्याख्यानम अनुवदति. This another व्याख्याकार भर्तृ प्रपंच, he says lokam is paramatma lakshanam. Paramatma lakshanam lokam. So the Moolakara means Bhashyakara did the Vyakhya. Lokam means karma phalam. Lokam icchanti, it is given in the mantra. See in the 309 itself, Bhashya, first line. Tasmad brahmanatve eva manusheshu lokam karma phalam icchanti. Is there? And now Bhartru Prapancha, he says lokam means Paramatma. That is the Tika. Agnau hutva brahmanecha dattva. By making offerings in Agni and giving dakshina to Brahmana, Paramatma lakshanam lokam aptum icchanti. Lokam icchanti means they are not, so he separates Agni and Brahmana. In Agni Ahuti, Brahmana Dakshina, Paramatma Prapti. Paramatma lakshanam lokam aptu icchanti iti bhartru prapancha vyakhyanam anuvadati. This is bhartru prapancha vyakhyanam. So in Bhashya, atratu Paramatma lokam agnau brahmane cha icchanti iti kechid. Some people say Paramatma lokam agnau brahmane cha. In that Agni and in Brahmana, by whatever appropriate things, in Agni offering, in Brahmana Dakshina, what they are seeking is Paramatma lokam, means Brahma lokam, says Bhartru Prapancha. And then Krama Mukti is his position. Tika, Saptami, Tasmad ityadi Vakya Vishaya. Saptami is where? Atra. Atra is Saptami, is Tasmad. So, Tasmad ityadi Vakya Vishaya. Tasmad Brahmanatva eva manusheshu, that line that we read, that Vishaya. Atra. In that, Prakrama Alochanabhyam कर्म फलम इह लोक शब्दार्थो न परमात्मा प्रक्रम भंग प्रसंगात इति दूषयति. Somebody will ask why you are not taking here loka shabda as Paramatma, why you are taking karma phalam. He says prakrama lochanayam, sorry, prakrama lochanayam. Prakrama means upakrama. If you see upakrama here is not of Paramatma. Upakrama here is of karma phalam. प्रक्रम आलोचनायाम कर्मफलम इह लोक शब्दार्थः न परमात्मा. If you take it as Paramatma, Prakrama Bhanga Prasangat. Some Prakarana is going on, then suddenly you say it is talking of Paramatma. Upakrama Bhanga will take place. Iti Dushayati. So even if so many people have same mantras, how to understand the mantra? What is the meaning here? So many things are different. And that's why we need tikas where these things are explained. Otherwise, it is very confusing. Means bhashya. Tad asad. अविद्याधिकारे कर्माधिकारार्थम वर्ण विभागस्य प्रस्तुतत्वात् परेण च विशेषणात्. This whole discussion of karma and varnashrama vyavastha is within avidya adhikara. Avidya sutra has started. Now we are in avidya sutra. So avidya adhikare, in that adhikara, karma adhikarartham varna vibhaga. In that suddenly paramatma prakarana cannot come. Means paramatma prapti is not the vishaya here. Karma phala prapti will be the vishaya. Parena cha visheshanat. Tika. कर्माधिकारार्थं कर्मसु प्रवृत्ति सिद्ध्यर्थम इति यावत. कर्माधिकारार्थम मीन्स कर्मसु प्रवृत्ति सिद्ध्यर्थम. वाक्य शेषगत विशेषण वशादपि कर्मफलस्यैव अत्र लोक शब्द वाच्यत्वम इत्याह. वाक्य शेषगत विशेषण वशादपि, for the vakya shesha also means what comes later. विशेषण वशादपि कर्मफलस्य एव अत्र लोक शब्द वाच्यत्वम, because later it will be said parena. In the mantra, the later, this is a longer. परेण च केवल विद्या विषयेण विशेषणात्, it will be said later. Okay. परेण च इति in भाष्य. परेण च विशेषणात्, 6 नंबर टिप्पणी. लोक शब्दार्थेन परेण परमात्मना स्वशब्दार्थस्य आत्मनो विशेषणात् विशेषणत्वेन अन्वयकरणात्. सो परेण Later it is given as parena परमात्मना. लोक शब्द विशेषण is given. परेण लोक शब्देना. So if para becomes paraloka, paraloka, para itself is a visheshana. If you say loka as paramatma, then paraloka visheshana will be vyartha. In Bhashya, next line you see it will become more clear. यदि ही अत्र लोक शब्देन पर एव आत्मा उच्येत. If you say loka itself is para, paramatma, then parena lokena, in that para is the visheshana. Parena lokena, if you say loka means paramatma, then what is parena lokena? There is nothing greater than that. So that visheshana will become anarthakam. Visheshanam anarthakam syat. Swam lokam adrishtva iti. Mantra it is not given. Let's see further. Tadeva prapanchayati yadi hi visa. परपक्षे स्वम इति विशेषणम व्यावर्त्य अभावात् न घटते चेत त्वत्पक्षे अपि कथम तद उपपत्तिरित्याशंकाः. If there is a visheshanam, para is a visheshana. Visheshana is used only for some vyavritti. There is a shloka, sambhava vyabicharabhyam syad arthavad visheshanam. Then न शीतेन न उष्णेन वन्नि क्वापि विशिष्यते. संभव व्यभिचाराभ्याम स्याद अर्थवद विशेषणम. न शीतेन न उष्णेन वन्नि क्वापि विशिष्यते. वन्नि क्वापि विशेष्यते. वन्नि क्वापि विशेष्यते. So sambhava and vyabhichar, if there is any possibility of something, then that visheshana you should give. If there is possibility of vyabhichara, then also you should give sambhava vyabhicharabhyam. Then visheshana is arthavat. Why? Vanni is there. Vanni manaya. So you don't give Shitam Vannim Anaya. Why you don't give Shitam Visheshanam? Because Sambhava is not there. There is no Sambhavana that Vanni can be Shita. And Ushnam Vannim Anaya. What is Vyabhichara?
There is no Vyabhichara.
Vyabhichara Abhava, you have to say. There is no possibility that it is not Ushna. Then why you have to say it is Ushna? So where Sambhava is also not there, Vyabhichara is also not there, then that Visheshanam is Arthavat or not. Anarthavat. So some people, they have habit of using Visheshanas which are Vyartha. There is no purpose. So in the language, if it is very precise, you should not use any words which are not required. They are only confusing. Like I had heard one Drashtanta. If somebody says, where is your second wife? Means somebody comes and they say, where is your second wife? Second Visheshana is anarthavat. If that person has only one wife and somebody hears Dvitiya Visheshana, then everybody will think, oh, that means this person has two. Or if somebody says, your first son has not come. Now he has only one son, and first, if you give Visheshanam, it is not required because then it will give idea, maybe he has more than one. So here, Purvapakshi says, in Parapaksha, Swam iti Visheshanam Vyavartya Abhavat. See, Syat Swam Lokam Adrishtva iti. परेण विशेषणम अनर्थकम स्यात् स्वम लोकम अदृष्ट्वा इति. स्वम लोकम अदृष्ट्वा, दिस इज गिवन इन द मंत्र स्वम लोकम अदृष्ट्वा प्रैति, राइट. अस्मात् लोकात् स्वम लोकम अदृष्ट्वा प्रैति 307 इट इज देयर. So that swam lokam is, swa is visheshana. Swam lokam adrishtva, this was the line in Bhashya. Now in Tika, it is said, okay, if Parapaksha means in Bhartru Prapancha Mata. In Bhartru Prapancha Mata, swam, this visheshanam vyavartya abhavat na ghatate. Because if you say swam lokam, okay, the mantra says swam lokam. Lokam shabda according to Bhartru Prapancha is Paramatma. So then swam Paramatma, there is no vyavartya. Swam means if there is some other Paramatma, then you have to say swam Paramatma and Anya Paramatma. But there is no vyavartya. So that is what Tikakar says. Parapakshe swam iti visheshanam vyavartya abhavat na ghatate chet. Then Tvatpakshe api katham tad upapattihi. Then how you will say swam visheshanam? Siddhanti will say, we say lokam means karma phalam. Swam karma phalam. Swaloka means swasya karma phalam. भाष्य स्वलोक व्यतिरिक्तश्चेत् अग्नि अधीनतया प्रार्थ्यमानः प्रकृतो लोकस् ततः स्वम इति युक्तम विशेषणम प्रकृत परलोक निवृत्त्यर्थत्वात्. स्वलोक व्यतिरिक्तश्चेद अग्नि अधीनतया प्रार्थ्यमानः. स्वलोक व्यतिरिक्त, other than swaloka, agni adhinataya prarthyamanah prakrito lokah tatah swam iti yuktam visheshanam. If there is any other loka other than swaloka, then swam visheshana will be yukta because it will do vyavritti of swavyatirikta loka. That is what is given in Bhashya. Swaloka vyatiriktasched agni adhinataya prarthyamanah. When the prarthana is done to Agni, means whatever worship is done, then it is Prakrita Loka, then that is different from Tataha Swam iti Yuktam Visheshanam. Why? Prakrita Paraloka Nivrityarthatvat. Paraloka Nivrityarthatvat Swam Lokam. There is Swam Lokam, Paralokam in this way. Para here means not higher. Para, see, para shabdo anatma vishaya. Swam means atma. Para means anatma. Because the mantra said, Swam lokam adrishtva. Swam lokam means atmanam adrishtva. and paraloka will become anatmanam. See, if lokam shabda itself is paramatma, then swam lokam will not work. If lokam is some karma phalam, then swam lokam will become swasya atma, means atma, and paralokam will become anatma. This is how vibhaga is done, division is done. ननु प्रकृते वाक्ये लोक शब्देन परमात्मा न उच्यते चेत उत्तर वाक्ये अपि तेन न असौ उच्येत विशेष अभावात् इति आशंक्य विशेषण सामर्थ्यात् नैवम् इत्याह. प्रकृत वाक्येन लोक शब्देन परमात्मा न उच्यते चेत, इन प्रकृत वाक्य, देन उत्तर वाक्य अपि, उत्तर वाक्येन वाक्य अपि तेन न असौ उच्येत. विशेष अभावात्. Sir, Vakya, which one he is referring to? No. This is the current one. Atmanam eva lokam upasita. Asmat lokat swam lokam adrashta praiti is this one. And later is Atmanam eva lokam upasita. You can underline those two. I have. उच्येत विशेष अभावात् इति आशंक्य विशेषण सामर्थ्यात् नैवम्. इन भाष्य स्वत्वेन च अव्यभिचारात् परमात्म लोकस्य. स्वत्वेन च अव्यभिचारात् परमात्म लोक, in that there is no vyabhichara. So sambhava vyabhicharabhyam syad arthavad visheshanam. So here there is no vyabhichara. Therefore visheshana samarthya naivam. Visheshana samarthyat naivam. Swatva and Paramatma Loka, in that there is no Vyabhichara. But Swatva and Anatma Loka, there is Vyabhichara. Swatvena, 1 number Tippani says, Swatvam Pratyaktvam, Tena Avyabhicharitvam Paramatmano Asti. Tasya Sarva Pratyaktvamatvat. So when it is said Swatvena, means Pratyaktvena, Paramatmanaha avyabhicharitvam, there is no vyabhichara. Tika कर्मफल विषयत्वेनापि विशेषणस्य नेतुं शक्यत्वात् न विशेष सिद्धिरित्याशंक्याः. कर्मफल विषयत्वेनापि विशेषणस्य नेतुं शक्यत्वात्. As कर्मफल विषयत्वेनापि विशेषणस्य नेतुं शक्यत्वात् न विशेष सिद्धिः. Probakshi will say. Siddhanti says avidya kritanancha swatva vyabhicharat. Anything that is avidya krita is not swa, means it is not atma, it is anatma. अनात्मनस्तु कर्म कार्यस्य पराचः. Whatever is anatma, which is avidya karya, is para, स्व अन्य. टीका तेषां so karma phala, see in 18 number tippani how it is given, अनात्मलोक प्रतिपादकत्वेन. कर्मफल अनात्मलोक प्रतिपादत्वे विषयत्वेन अपि विशेषणस्य नेतुं शक्यत्वात्. सिद्धांति से न विशेष सिद्धि, पूर्व पक्षी से न विशेष सिद्धि. सिद्धांति से अविद्याकृतानां च स्वत्व व्यभिचारात्. Whatever is avidya karya, in that swatva is not there. Means in them swa visheshana will not come. So if it is karma phala, which is avidya karya, in that avidya karya, swaloka will not work. Vyabhichara. तेषां स्वरूप व्यभिचारे वाक्य शेषम प्रमाणयति ब्रवीति च कर्मकृतानां व्यभिचारं क्षीयत एव इति. And it will be said, those who have done such karmas, vyabhicharam braviti, how? Kshiyata eva. So those karmas, certainly they will have kshaya. Tadhasya antatah kshiyata eva, that part. उत्तर वाक्य व्यावर्त्यम पूर्व पक्षम आह. और उत्तर वाक्य व्यावृत्ति पूर्व पक्ष is given now. ब्रह्मणा सृष्टा वर्णाः कर्मार्थम तत् पुनः अचेतनम अकिंचितकरम इति आशंका है. By Brahma, varnaha srishta for performing karma, karmartham. But that karma, tacha karma dharmakhyam. So Purvapakshi says this karma, varnas, etc., they are all achetana, they are jada. So like, and karma is also jada. Tacha karma dharmakhyam. Even though it is jada, sarvan eva kartavyataya niyantru purushartha sadhanancha. Karma, even though it is jada, it as a dharma, it controls all. Dharmakhyam tippanikar says chetanakhyam, chetanatmakam. Karma, generally we say karma kim param, karma tad jadam. But here, how it is taken? Not karma by itself. Karma presided over by Paramatma will, number one, it will be kartavya for all. Second, it is a niyanta and it is purushartha sadhanam. टीका सर्वैर एव वर्णैः स्वस्य कर्तव्यतया तान् प्रति नियंतृ भूत्वा इति योजना. Everybody in all varnas, they will have some kartavya. Towards them, तान् प्रति नियंतृ भूत्वा. Dharma will become niyanta towards all. In this way, even though it is jada, it has ability to control them. तस्य पुमर्थ उपायत्व प्रसिद्धिम आदाय फलितमाह. तस्य धर्मस्य पुमर्थ उपायत्वम, यदि पुरुषार्थ उपाय. कर्मणः. Karma means here dharma. धर्म रूपी कर्म। पुमर्थ उपायत्व प्रसिद्धिम आदाय, इट इज ए पुरुषार्थ उपाय। फलितमाह तस्मात् तस्मात् तेनैव चेत् कर्मणा स्वो लोकः परमात्माख्यो अविदितोऽपि प्राप्यते। स्वे तेनैव कर्मणा स्वः लोकः परमात्माख्यः। सो लोकः is phalam, swaha lokah is paramatma, not loka is paramatma. That is how Vyakhyanam is being given. Aviditopi prapyate. Aviditopi prapyate, how krama mukti, huh? Because without jnanam, if something is attained, it is only through krama. Tika avidito api iti chedah. भाष्य किं तस्यैव पदनीयत्वेन क्रियत इति अतः. So somebody says, if it is avidita also, if it is known, किं तस्यैव पदनीयत्वेन क्रियते. Why it should be sought? Padaniya means it has to be known, ज्ञातव्य इति अतः. In टीका देवता गुणं कर्म मुक्ति हेतु इति पक्षं प्रतिक्षेप्तुम उत्तरम वाक्यम उत्थापयति. देवता गुणम कर्म मुक्ति हेतु. देवतात्मको यो गुणः शेषः तत्शेषी कर्म देवता अधिष्ठितम वा कर्म. देवता कर्म, देवता गुणम कर्म में देवता अधिष्ठित कर्म is mukti hetu. Some people think like this. This is not Vedanta mata. Iti paksham pratiksheptum uttara vakyam utthapayati. Pratikshepa means its nirasa is done. अतः अथ इति पूर्व पक्ष विनिवृत्त्यर्थः. यदुक्तं तन्न इति अर्थ को अथः. अथ शब्द is to say तन्न. तन्न अथ शब्द इति पूर्व पक्ष विनिवृत्त्यर्थः. अथ शब्द, where did it come? Artha Shabda is the beginning of the mantra. If you see the Atha Yo Hava Asmad Lokat Swam, that Atha Shabda on 307. Means beginning of that Swam Lokama Drashtva. पूर्वपक्ष विनिवृत्त्यर्थः। ज्ञानात् एव मुक्तिः न कर्मणा इति आगम प्रसिद्धम इति निपातयोर अर्थः। So what is the objective of this discussion? Jnanaad eva muktihi na karmana. Through karma you will get some phalam, and it will be anitya phalam, or if you go to Brahmaloka, then karma mukti is possible. But sadhya mukti is only through jnana. तत्र निमित्तम उपादानंच द्वयं संक्षिपति। निमित्तम एंड उपादानम। यह कश्चित् हवा अस्मात् सांसारिकात् पिंड ग्रहण लक्षणात् अविद्या काम कर्म हेतुकात् अग्नि अधीन कर्माभिमानतया वा ब्राह्मण जाति मात्र कर्माभिमानतया वा आगंतुकात् अस्वरूपभूतात् लोकात् स्वं लोकम आत्माख्यम आत्मत्वेन अव्यभिचारित्वाद् अदृष्ट्वा अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति प्रैति म्रियते। अहम ब्रह्मास्मि अदृष्ट्वा चारित्वात् अदृष्ट्वा अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति प्रैति म्रियते। यह कश्चित् एनीवन हु हवा अस्मात् सांसारिकात् पिंड ग्रहण लक्षणात्। दिस सांसारिक पिंड ग्रहण मीन्स दिस शरीर in which aham mama abhiman is there, pind grahana lakshanat avidya kama karma hetukat, which has avidya kama karma as its hetu. Avidya kama karma hetur yasya pindasya agni adhina सह अविद्या काम कर्म हेतुकः तस्मात् हेतुकात् अग्नि अधीन कर्म अभिमानतया. So he will do Agni Adhina Karma Abhimana. I will do this karma, that karma I have done. Or Brahmana Jati Matra Karma Abhimanataya. I am Brahmana, Kshatriya, etc. Karma Abhimanataya va. Agantukad Aswarupa Bhutat Lokat Swam Lokam Atmakhyam Atmatvena Avyabhicharitvad Adrishtva. Swam Lokam Adrishtva. What is that swam lokam? Agantukat aswarupa bhutat lokat. So many tippanis are there on almost each word. Utpannat utpatti vinasha bhaktvad eva vastuno anatmanah atmatvena grihitat. When he takes anatma as atma. Agantukat aswarupa bhuta. Aswarupa bhuta is anatma. Anatma he takes as swam lokam. Atmatvena, Atmakyatvena, Avyabhicharitvat, Adrishtva Aham Brahmasmi, not knowing I am Brahma and taking some Anatma as one's own self. Iti praiti mriyate. Tika. Nimittam upadanam cha iti dvayam sankszipati. Avidya is the upadanam. Nimittam vivrunoti agni adhina iti. Agni adhina, so all the abhimana, karma abhimanataya or brahmana jati abhimana, etc. or any anatma abhimana, they are the nimitta. Atmakhyasya lokasya sattve hetumaha. Atmakhya loka सत्वे हेतुम अहम ब्रह्म आत्मत्वेन इति takes anatma as atma and aham brahmasmi iti adrishtva iti sambandha. So the final thing is aham brahmasmi, he doesn't know. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.